Hi everyone, I am Anil Kumar, LLB coach and motivational speaker. Today, I would like to speak about how to motivate yourself about your legal studies. My dear friends, everyone knows that legal subjects are not easy. It is very difficult to study. We need to study lot many things like sections, subsections, articles, case laws, illustrations. There are many things we need to remember. So many of the times we do procrastinate the things we are not studying properly in a systematic manner. You need to study a systematic manner. How you can able to yourself motivate. Today I'm going to tell 10 things which we can motivate ourselves about your legal studies. 10 tips I would like to tell in this video so that you can able to study very easily, especially legal subjects. So legal subjects are very difficult subjects which we need to study for your upcoming LLP examination. So that is very important. So sometimes we demotivate ourselves to study about legal subjects. So how to motivate, that is very important. So today I'm going to tell 10 tips which will be going to motivate yourself about your legal studies. The first and foremost point is understand your study style. Understand whether your morning study or evening study. Your mind knows that you are very much interested study in the morning or you are very much interested study in the evening. That you decide firstly. So many of the people they say morning is the best. Sometimes some people are there, some students are there, they face very much difficult to get up early in the morning. So that you need not to worry about. You have to understand yourself whether you are morning reader or whether you are evening reader. That you need to identify yourself. According to that, you need to schedule your studies. That is very important. Whether it could be morning, whether it could be evening, that is not a matter here. So first of all, you have to choose which time is the best for you to motivate yourself. The second step is stop the comparison between your friends. So please don't compare yourself to others. So he is studying very well, I am not studying. Don't get demotivated yourself that others are studying very well, I am not studying well, I am not studying well, like that. Don't compare yourself. Your unique qualities you have. So everyone has their own qualities. So don't compare yourself with others. That is very important. This is the second tip. And third tip is avoid multitasking. You should avoid multitasking. Whenever you are studying legal subjects, you have to focus on one subject. You have to focus on one topic. You have to focus on one paragraph. So that kind of thing you need to cultivate yourself. That is very important. So multitasking, don't do it while studying your legal subjects. So if, I can say example, while seeing mobile you are studying, while seeing movie you are studying, while eating your food you are studying, while speaking with others you are studying. That you don't do, my dear friends. You have to stay focused on your subjects, legal subjects. This is third tip. The next tip is communicate. After studied, after completion of your one topic or two topic, whatever, and the particular time you have to communicate yourself. So communicate with your friend, communicate with your mother, communicate with your father, communicate with your any kind of friends. So please make friends. So today I have studied this topic. Whatever I know, I mean to say some. I will say in the phone. I will say if at all nearby your friends, you can able to express in front of them. So whatever you have studied, so just say them that you have studied. What are all the studies you have, contents you have studied. What are the section and subsections are available in the particular topic, and what are the case laws you have studied, and what case says, and what judgment it has been come. So like that. So what topic you have studied, so that if you after completion of your studies, if you say what you call summary of the study, so that you can remember very easily. Remembering also very important for your legal subjects. That is very important after completion of your studies. So today I have studied. Don't today itself you can communicate tomorrow also. Whatever you have studied, if you communicate tomorrow or today, that is better. Today or tomorrow, please communicate the topics, so that you can remember, you can capture very easily the particular topic. The next tip is stop running away. Please don't stop to running your difficult subjects. Somebody has difficulty about Indian Penal Code, somebody has difficulty in civil procedure code, somebody has difficulty in interpretation statutes, somebody has difficulty in other subjects, intellectual property rights, whatever, any kind of subjects. If you face difficulties, don't run away. What you have to do is you have to make it simple for that particular subject. How you can make simple? Take a previous year question papers. What are the questions they have been asked in the previous year question papers? Make a note of it, and after that, you please find out the good answers from various textbook, prescribed books, reference, whatever. You have to make it easy. Please don't be run away. If you run away, definitely you will fail that particular subject. So whatever you are facing difficult subject, that you need to take it, and please be study simple way. In the simple way you have to study. That is very important. That is called, please stop running away from the difficult subjects. Whatever you face difficult, that you make simple. The after make simple, you can able to crack very easily. The next tip is prepare a study timetable. For LLB student, timetable is very important. You will have 24 hours of time. During 24 hours time, what all you have to do, that is called timetable, study timetable. In the morning, how much time you will get up, how much time you have given for the exercises or meditation, how much time you have given for other works, how much time you have given for lunch, dinner, breakfast, how much time you have given for academics, how much time you have given for college. So those kind of things you have to make it properly, and please make timetable properly. So that is very important. You can easily motivate yourself about your studies. The next tip is you need to have a regular intervals while studying long time. Somebody is there, they used to study 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, like that. So if you study at least 40 minutes, take a tea break, take a break, whatever you break called, that you need to take break 40 minutes. After 40 minutes you take 10 minutes of time, then after you can able to plan your studies. So that kind of things you need to adopt. So take a break. For long reader who are all studying a long run, what you call 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 hours, so for them this is advisable to take a breaks. The next tip is practicing yoga or regular exercises. You must have practice yoga or meditation, regular physical exercise, what you call. So what I do every day, I do Sudarshan Kriya in the early in the morning. I need to get up early in the morning every day, 5:30. After completion of my bathing, I do take meditation or yoga, Sudarshan Kriya, what you call. So that I will do every day half an hour. So evening time, what I will do, at least 15 to 20 minutes time, we will do physical exercise. Physical exercises and mental exercises both are required to crack your LLB examination, my dear friends. So if you would like to motivate yourself, yoga and meditation is required. If you would like to motivate yourself, physical exercise also it's required to motivate yourself about your legal studies. So next tip is set small goals. So what is meant by small goals? Small goals in the sense, within this week what you will be going to do. So within this week, how many subject you will cover, how many topics you will cover, like that you need to keep a small goals while you are crack your LLB subjects. So that is very important. Please set a small goals for that achieve. After achieve, just appraise yourself. So appraise yourself after completion of your studies. Please set a goal and complete your goal and appraise yourself that test or whatever. So next, last but not the least, avoid social media. Social media is a devil for LLB students. We are using social media for good things, we are using social media for bad things. What is good things? YouTube is a good thing. You can able to learn the legal studies from YouTube. You can able to find out the judgments, recent judgments, illustrations. You can able to find out in the internet. That is good. Facebook is bad. Don't use much Facebook. So this is social media should be avoided. You can give some time, like 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 1 hour. You can give a time, but not every time. So some students are there, they keep on rolling, Facebook, scrolling. So you will get fail, my dear friends, if you use much social media. So if you would like to motivate yourself about your legal studies, please quit your social media. So that is my advice. So these are all the 10 tips which you can able to enhance your knowledge and you can able to motivate yourself for your upcoming LLB examination. What are the 10 tips? Once again I remind, understand your study style. First tip is understand your study style. Second tip is stop the comparison between your friends. Avoid multitasking. Please avoid multitasking while you are studying legal subjects. Please communicate after completion of your topic. Communicate with your friends, communicate with your mother, whether communicate with your father if they are literates, you can communicate with them. Prepare a study timetable. Please be prepared for your study timetable. Please stop running away for the difficult subjects. Please make a simple of those and you can crack. Take a regular intervals after completion of at least minimum 40 minutes you study. After that, please take 5 minutes or 10 minutes break. Please be practicing yoga and meditation or regular exercises in your timetable. Please add to give time your yoga and meditation and physical exercises. And set small goals. Set small goals like week, month, like that. So set small goals and please be achieve those small goals. And avoid social media. Please be avoid social media so that you can have better focus on your studies. These are all the 10 tips which you can able to motivate yourself about your legal studies. Please do subscribe my channel Income Market so that you will notified very good videos pertaining to your 3 LLB and 5 LLB, specifically comes under Karnataka State Law University Hubli. And one more thing I would like to clarify that I have prepared the notes for your upcoming LLB examination. Legal and non-legal subjects both have been prepared, around more than 60 subjects have been prepared for your upcoming LLB examination. Please be go through those notes. That is very simple. How to get these notes? That is very simple. Please, I have mentioned the mobile number in the YouTube description column. If you contact them, definitely you can able to get the notes. So I hope this video have been clarified about how to motivate yourself about your legal studies. I have given 10 tips here. Please be refer those 10 tips and please be adopt those 10 tips so that you can have a very good future at your LLB studies. Thank you.